Welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We've been covering a lot of different videos about playing chords and playing certain songs and changing their keys, and I wanted to provide an instructional video on how to find the songs that we're playing and what to do to change their keys. So first we're going to start off at Google, and in your search you're going to type in Ultimate Guitar. The first search result that comes up is called ultimate-guitar.com. You'll click on there and you'll come up with a site that mentions tab catalogs, top tabs, articles, etc. At the top, you have a search right up here where you can pick a song. In our case, we've been covering Evil Ways from Santana. So we'll type in Evil Ways and hit enter to search or click search. Pick the song. You'll see that the chords pop up above the lyrics. Sometimes you'll see other versions of the song that have a chord chart instead. When you cursor over them, you can see fingerings for the chords, or you can use the fingerings that I've provided in the other videos. To change the key that these songs are in, you scroll down here to where it says transpose, and you go down with the minus key or up with the plus key, and it will change to B minor, C minor, C sharp, D minor, etc. So if you're given the key, you know exactly what to pick, and you can find the chords to play in the key that you wish to play. As always, if you like what you see in here, give us that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And if you have any questions, shoot them down into the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.